Good morning, students. Welcome my channel Bhuloks Mathematics. Last class I have already discussed about partial fraction. Let us come and start some new type in partial fraction. Okay, write down type 3. In the proper fraction, px by qx, where qx not equal to 0 and the denominator qx consists of non-repeated quadratic factor like a1 x square plus b1 x plus c1 into a2 x square plus b2 x plus c2 dot 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 an x square plus bn x plus cn. Then the corresponding partial fraction is given by a1x plus b1 divided by a1x square plus b1x plus c1 plus a2x plus b2 divided by a2x square plus b2x plus c2 dot 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 anx plus bn divided by anx square plus bnx plus cn, where a1 a1 a2 dot 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 n and b1 b2 dot 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 bn are constant whose value is to be determined by comparing the coefficient of respective term on both sides. Okay, so this is the rule. In the proper fraction px by qx, if the denominator qx consists of non-repeated quadratic factor like a1x square plus b1x plus c1, a2x square plus b2x plus c2 dot 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 anx square plus bnx plus cn, then the corresponding partial fraction is given by a1x plus b1 divided by a1x square plus b1x plus c1 dot 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 anx plus bn divided by anx square plus bnx plus cn, where a1 a2 dot dot an and b1 b2 dot dot bn are constant whose value is to be determined by comparing the coefficient of respective term on both sides. Okay, so by using this formula, how can you integrate some problems? So write down one example. Write down one example. How can you do it? One example. Integration of 5x divided by x plus 1 whole into x square plus 9 into dx. Okay? First of all, we know that it is a proper fraction. Here the degree of numerator is 1 and the degree of denominator is 3. So it is a proper fraction. So there is nothing to be done. So how can you do this? So write down, consider. First of all, you have to consider. Write down, consider 5x divided by x plus 1. Here it is s square plus 9. So here the denominator consists of one quadratic factor, another is a linear factor. So what is the corresponding partial fraction? For a linear factor, it is a by x plus 1. For quadratic factor, it is bx plus c divided by s square plus 9. Here in denominator consisting of one linear factor, another is a quadratic factor. For linear factor, the corresponding partial fraction is a by x plus 1, and for quadratic factor, the corresponding partial fraction is bx plus c, where a, b, c are constant whose value is to be determined by comparing the coefficient of respective term on both sides. So you take the LCM, a, it is s square plus 9 plus bx plus c whole into x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. Here it is s square plus 9. So this cancelled with this. So multiplying a x square plus 9 b x into x plus 1 b x square plus x plus c whole into x plus 1, that is 5x. So here this is equal to this. Our aim is to find out the value of a, b, c. So comparing the coefficient of x square, write down, comparing the coefficient of x square, x and constant term on both sides. Both sides we get. Okay, first of all we have to comparing the coefficient of x square. You see here the coefficient of x square is a. Here the coefficient of x square is b. Here there is no coefficient of x square. But in this side the coefficient of x square is 0. So this is one equation. Now comparing the coefficient of x on both sides. The coefficient of x is b. Plus here the coefficient of x is c. Here the coefficient of x is 5. So that is 5. Then coefficient of constant term 9a. Write down 9a plus c is equal to 0. So three equations are there. So our aim is to find out the value of a, b, c by solving this. First of all, we have to eliminate this. It is 2 and it is 3. So now subtracting this 2, minus minus, c cancel. So it is b minus 9a is equal to 5. So it is one equation star. So by using a plus b is equal to 0 and b minus 9a is equal to 5, we get, write down, a plus b is equal to 0 and a minus 9a plus b is equal to 5. Then minus plus minus is equal to minus. So plus b minus b cancel. So a plus 9a, that is 10a, is equal to minus 5. So a is equal to minus 5 by 10, that is minus 1 by 2. So the value of a will coming out. When a is coming out, the putting the value of a here, b is equal to, write down, b is equal to minus a. So that is 1 by 2. b is equal to 1 by 2. When a found out, b found out, putting the value of b in this equation 2. So c is equal to 5 minus b. So 5 minus b is equal to half. 5 into 2, that 10 minus 1. So 9 by 2. Okay, the value of a, b, c coming out. So putting the value of a, b, c in double star, this equation, we have to put the value of a, b, c in equation double star. So we get, putting the values, star becomes 5x divided by x plus 1 x square plus 9 is equal to, value of a is equal to minus 1 by 2 whole into x plus 1, b is 1 by 2 into x plus c, that is 9 by 2 divided by s square plus 9. Okay, now this is equal to this. Then integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides with respect to x. 5x divided by x plus 1 whole into s square plus 9 into dx. Here it is minus 1 by 2 is a constant, that is coming outsides, dx by x plus 1. Here we get this by this, this by this. 1 by 2 is a constant, that will be coming outsides, x by s square plus 9 into dx. Here 9 by 2 is a constant, that will be coming outsides, dx by s square plus 9. We know the integration of dx by x plus 1, here it is ln x plus 1. So here, if we choose this is a function fx and whose derivative is 2x, but numerator it is x, so 1 by 2 multiplied and divided. So we get 1 by 4, here it is 2x by s square plus 9 into dx. So here it is one formula, dx by x square plus a square. By applying formula, standard form, 9 by 2, 1 by a means 3, tan inverse x by 3 plus c. We know that is one formula, f dash x by fx dx is equal to integration ln fx plus c. Over a derivative, tole function, ln tole function. If we choose this is a function fx, the derivative is 2x. So we get 1 by 2 ln x plus 1, here it is 1 by 4 ln s square plus 9. Here it is 3 into 3 cancel, that is 3 by 2 tan inverse x by 3 plus c. Applying this formula, we know that this is the formula applied, dx by s square plus s square 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. This is the formula applied here. Okay, so this is the answer of this. One is the linear function, another is the quadratic function. Then the corresponding partial fraction is a by this bx plus c. This is the formula today discussed. For quadratic function, the result is bx plus c s square plus 9. Our aim is to find out the value of a, b, c, where this can be found out by comparing the coefficient of respective term on both sides. Thank you to all for watching my videos. If you like my classes, please subscribe my channel, like my channel, share my channels.